Hi, this is Stuart Talley. I'm the partner here responsible for the DePuy metal-on-metal Pinnacle cases. And the reason we're doing this video today is to provide an update on the ongoing trial in the first metal-on-metal Pinnacle case to be tried in the country that is currently pending in Dallas, Texas. The report for this week is that the defendants are still putting on their case. We're now in the 7th week. The defense has been putting on evidence for about 2 weeks now. And this week we heard from a series of expert witnesses that they've called to the stand. All of these experts have opinions that are negative to the plaintiff. They are blaming the surgeon who put in the hip and the angle of the cups that were put in the hip as the cause of the problems that the plaintiff had. And so that has really been DePuy's defense in this case. What they have alleged is that the reason that the plaintiff had so many problems with her hips was that the cups were put in at an extreme angle. And so that's what these experts have testified. We also heard this week some more what we call videotape testimony. And this is where somebody has been deposed earlier in the case as part of the discovery process, and the videotape of the person's deposition is played to the jury. So we heard from Mr. Ekdahl this week, who is the CEO of DePuy, and his testimony was provided by videotape to, in essence, just add some things that the defendants thought needed to be put into the record. Now, we are on the very last week of trial. Next week, closing arguments. This case should be going to a jury very soon. How long that jury will take to make a decision is unclear, but it could be anywhere from 1 day to 2 weeks. It just really depends on how difficult the jury has, difficult a time the jury has making a decision on the case. Now, we will have some more updates next week on the closing arguments. We will have in-depth analysis. Hopefully I'll be able to provide a lot of discussion of what exactly occurred. The closing arguments in this case is where the lawyers in essence sum up everything that's been presented over the last 7 weeks of trial. So stay tuned, because we'll have some more information for you. Also, if you have a metal-on-metal Pinnacle, feel free to give us a call. You can reach us at the phone number on the screen or through our website. We represent a lot of people with metal-on-metal Pinnacles, and we'd be happy to provide any information that you need to evaluate your situation and whether you have a claim or not. So feel free to give us a call.